Now we're moving over to Kangana Ranaut. There, a big relief for the actor. Bombay High Court today quashed the order issued by the Mumbai municipal body to demolish her bungalow. In its order there, the High Court observed that the BMC demolished Kangana's office out of malice. Pulling up the BMC, High Court has said that it was a sinister attempt to silence Kangana. The court has now appointed a valuer to assess the cost of damage and submit a report within 3 months. The compensation money will be recovered from the BMC officials. Bombay High Court also disapproved Kangana's statements and cautioned her to exercise restraint. However, the court added that the state cannot take malified action or use muscle power against a citizen. The court has allowed Kangana to take steps to make her property habitable. But that would be in compliance with the approved plan. The application there must be made to the BMC for approval. It will be decided within 4 weeks. Taking to Twitter, the actor has expressed happiness and called the court's order a victory of democracy. Meanwhile, BJP has sought resignation of the Mumbai mayor and BMC commissioner for harassing the actor.
Certainly is a huge win for Kangana, though the court very categorically said that, it does not approve of the kind of languages, the kind of tweets that Kangana was really putting out. But that still does not mean that the state can really use power against individuals. I'm joined by Rizwan Siddiqui, who is Kangana Ranaut's lawyer. You argued along with other advocates in the court during that entire hearing. Did you really expect that this would really come in your favor?
Well, I always expected a very balanced order, and I'm not really surprised with the order because at the face of it, we could see, what exactly was going wrong. And the judges have pronounced the same thing in an order. And I'm happy that justice is finally delivered.
But it'll be a few more months before she can really reconstruct because evaluation and everything will have to be taken.
See, I'll tell you what, as far as those other preconditions are there, that is also quite balanced. I'm not really worried about that. Overall, if I can just sum it up in 2 words, justice is delivered. Justice delivered.
Okay, so, during the entire order, the court also spoke about how Sanjay Raut had given an interview. You had also put that out in the court as well. Also with the Samna headline, which had said, "Ukhad diya."
Well, I don't want to get into what exactly was mentioned in the on the front page of Samna. The courts have taken cognizance of that. We only brought it to the notice of the courts exactly what was going on and how the state government could have been involved. The judges have taken cognizance of those facts, and I think it's also placed in the order pretty well. I'm waiting to see the final order, which will be uploaded soon. And only after that, then I'll be able to comment on that.
Thank you so much. So that was Rizwan Siddiqui talking about their entire issue.
कंगना रनौत के केस में मुंबई उच्च न्यायालय के निर्णय का हम स्वागत करते हैं। मुंबई की महापौर और मुंबई के म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर ने तुरंत त्याग पत्र देना चाहिए। संजय राउत की तो बोलती बंद हो गई।
इसकी नैतिक जिम्मेदारी राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री ने लेते हुए कंगना को जो कॉम्पेंसेशन देना पड़ेगा और कंगना के मैटर में मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने जो बड़े बड़े वकील खड़े करके उनके ऊपर जो पैसा खर्चा किया वो पैसा जनता के खिसे से न जाते हुए मुख्यमंत्री ने निजी जेब से देने की आवश्यकता है।
Vidya joining us live for more details on that. Vidya, take us through this development. A big victory for Kangana there. BMC now to pay up for damages. We heard the lawyer speaking of Kangana Ranaut as well. He also says just one word, democracy prevails, and here is justice for Kangana Ranaut. But it doesn't end there. She's also been asked to exercise caution while putting out tweets that are sensitive. In the meanwhile, BMC now has been asked to pay up. There's a whole assessment of the damages that's going to be carried out in the next 3 months. Is the BMC or the Uddhav Thackeray government going to respond to this, or are they going to abide by the court's decision?
Well, as of now, the BMC is yet to take a decision whether they will challenge this entire order in the Supreme Court, because the written order, the detailed order is not yet in their hand. The moment they get it, they certainly will take a decision. But remember, in this entire order, the court has also spoken about how Kangana had, in a not a very tasteful manner, really spoken her mind out. And in that particular portion, the court also has said that the state cannot really go after an individual, use muscle power against an individual just because they don't like what they are speaking, it should just have been ignored. In spite of that, the court has now said that that the 2 crore compensation that Kangana was seeking, well, that has to be given, but that has to be re-evaluated with the fact that the demolition that has been done, whether it was right or wrong, that will really take a long time for the BMC to decide. They will really take, if there is an illegality, BMC can still go ahead and demolish, but they'll have to give that 7-day notice to Kangana. If BMC really want to go ask Kangana to actually go ahead and reconstruct, she will have to go according to the plan that has been approved. In case what she does reconstruct, which is not appropriate, then the BMC can still take action. So there are various nitty-gritties of this entire order that the BMC and Kangana both would really like to go through before they really go ahead with what they plan to do.
Aditya, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.